We need to remind ourselves in this age where we are completely fixated with the outer body, where we are worried about our eyebrows, the color and the tone of our skin through tanning. Men are totally fixated with the gym, with the nails, with the feet, with the teeth. We are fixated with the outer body. It was Sayyiduna Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam through the means of the Holy Quran who taught us that none of this is going to be looked at on the day of Qiyamah. Allah is only going to look at one organ of your body. يَوْمَ لَا يَنْفَعُ مَالٌ وَلَا بَنُونَ إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. On that day, no money, no children will be of any worth to you. The only person who will have any worth on that day is the one who comes to Allah with a peace and sound heart. And this is what mental illness is. Mental illness is a serious problem. It was a serious problem before the pandemic as well. And there were 101 definitions. I give you my definition. Mental illness is basically the fixation with the outer body to the exclusion of the inner. Mental illness has come about because we are too bothered about how we look and we are not one bit concerned about how we feel. And how we feel is really the condition of the heart. Sayyiduna Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam was the best heart specialist. He even gave you the dietary requirements you need in order to look after your heart. He told us which type of foods to eat. And I will share them. Please do practices at home as much as possible. We are in a month of Rabi'ul Awwal when we learn how we can apply the seerah of the Messenger to our lives. Sayyiduna Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that the best way to look after your heart is by eating what? Fenugreek. Fenugreek is what we call methi in our language, that green leaf that we sometimes, our mothers put in the food. Pistachio nuts is very good for the heart. Lemon juice is very good for the heart. Orange is also good for the heart. So these are foods, these are drinks that we can do to improve the condition of our hearts. Spiritually speaking as well, our Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam gave us the cure for hard-heartedness. You know, sometimes people become sakht mizaj. You know, they become very abrupt, harsh with people. Our Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam had the answer to that as well. One individual, he came to our Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam and he confessed himself. He said, Ya Rasulullah, I am very harsh-hearted. I am very sakht mizaj. Give me something to do by which I can reverse it so I can become soft-hearted once again. Our Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, subhanallah, he gave beautiful advice. He said, go and find an orphan, a yatim, and stroke his head. Give him something to eat. Once you do that, your heart will become very soft. Or to word it differently, what our master, our beloved sallallahu alayhi wasallam was saying is that if you spend time with the underprivileged of society, the needy, the orphans, Allah will automatically soften your hearts.